Hi guys, and welcome back into another video. And today we are in the kitchen and it's a Sunday evening. And you know, sometimes during Sunday afternoons or evenings, you always wonder what to make for your family. And today I bring you a very simple recipe that you can make in your home for your family. So we are going to be making naan bread, and we are going to be using the simplest ingredients that you can find in your home. And to begin off with, we have our yogurt right here, and we have milk right here, we have oil, we have flour, and this one makes work easier because you will not need yeast to proof it. This is already done. And then we have some salt. So now into our bowl, we are going to put some 2 cups of self-raising flour. Next, we'll mix this up. All right, next we'll fold in yogurt, 1 cup. At this point, we go in with milk, bit by bit. So as we wait for our dough to relax, we are going to be making our chicken curry, and these are some of the ingredients that we're going to be using in this recipe. We have crushed garlic, red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, onions, we have tomato paste, we have chicken masala, we have mixed herbs, and then we have 2 Royco cubes, we have black pepper, paprika, curry powder, and then this is the key ingredient, cooking cream. All right, and then we have our blended tomatoes and the chicken. All right, let's cook. As we wait for the chicken curry to keep on simmering for about a few minutes, now we'll go ahead and make our naan bread. Wow, this is really nice. 5 minutes, you see how it looks like. This is very nice. Okay. Alright guys, here our food is ready and we are going to serve. And I have my taste right here.
Is it taste or taster?
Taste. Tester. This is the curry. How does it smell?
Good.
Okay. Take our bread like so. Anyway, do you wanna eat now? Okay. It's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot.
It's good.
It's good. I expected you to say it's yummy.
That's delicious.
Alright guys, this is it for this video. And thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one. Bye. I hope you got some tips to make your Sabbath day a delight. Enjoy your day.